a little modern muscle at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2024 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. Listen to this. 867 on the odometer right now. Take a look at the front fascia. Grill inserts. Of course, underneath the hood, that 6.2 liter supercharged V8. This one has the optional 10-speed automatic transmission. Another option, the exposed weave, carbon fiber. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this beauty. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, Goodyear F1 radials. And as you can see, this black paint shows very well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. It's what you'd expect on a car with less than 1,000 miles. Of course, power top. We're going to show you that working here before the video's over. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. I think we know how this one's going to drive out with that kind of miles on it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Does include both key fobs. You'll be able to see a picture of the window sticker in with the rest of the pictures. If you want to see exactly what the standard equipment was on this vehicle and how it was equipped. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these modern muscle cars, or maybe you like the late model Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Look at the size of the brake rotors on that thing. Needs it with the performance it has, no doubt about that. What a blast of a car to drive. Speaking of which, let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to fire it up. I love these Recaro bucket seats in this thing. Of course, the Bose stereo system, your modern amenities with memory seating, your power windows and locks and mirrors. Of course, power bucket seats over here. And it's like the seat's brand new. Really not much wear to it all. Of course, the ZL1 insignia. Badging in the seat, and then Recaro. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I'm going to check out the exact miles here. Oil change. Just got this one in, so it's probably oil change due to the time, obviously, with 867 miles. No other warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just the yellow one up here stating, put on my seatbelt. Gauge is all working. Of course, the infotainment system. Heater, AC controls. Electronic dual climate control, heads up. See that. Again, all your modern amenities that you are going to expect on a highly optioned GM high-end sports car. No doubt about that. Let's listen. Sounds good, looks good. Let me pause this a second. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. We'll check out that convertible top. Like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Obviously as clean as the rest of the car. There it is, that LT4 supercharged 6.2 liter. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Again, your modern amenities. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there also. Remember, clean Carfax, low mile. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna close up that hood. I want to show you this convertible top working so we can check out the condition of that. And as you can see, that convertible top moves pretty quick. All right, nice tight fit above the windshield. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Rolled up the side glass, you can see how that fits also. We do have window tint on there, so know your local and state laws as far as the darkness that you can have. These cars are very sleek with the top up even. Tinted rear window, rear defog. No rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. Again, 867 miles was it? All right. Now there's also a feature on the key fob for lowering that top. Let's see if I can remember how that works. Make sure I hit unlock twice. I don't know if that is necessary or not, but then it's push and hold the convertible top button, and as you can see, it will go down remotely. How about that? 2024 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 convertible, low mile, clean Carfax. Black on black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very fun 2024 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. We do have the top down today, and this is a convertible. Heads-up display showing me the tachometer, the speedometer, and the G's. I'm just gonna let you listen for a little bit while I accelerate here. So easy to get up there in speed, so fun. This car is a super responsive throttle, just right. Steering wheel feels good, it's a good size. All those features that just make you want to keep driving a car, drive it harder, are there. The road feel is really good. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which is super easy to drive. Otherwise, you can also use your paddle shifter to go up and down the gears. Red and black motif in this car. Really mild-mannered when you want it to be. I have it in sport mode, so it's going to be a little snappier, a little more throaty in that exhaust note as well. We do have real needles for the tachometer and the speedometer. And then in the middle, between those gauges, is a digital speedometer number as well. If you just heard those clunks, that was the keychain. Corners amazingly. This one's fun to drive. You definitely want to check out all the pictures and learn about this ZL1 at uniqueclassiccars.com.